Recording.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back again. We're gonna give you a plasma cam video today. So we were trying to get the Rebel battle flag image because we're all a bunch of rednecks and stupid idiots. And apparently we fucked up somewhere. So we're gonna be looking at Rebel flag images. And this is a plasma cam video, so have fun.
You can just look at the Welding. It's getting too small and it goes fast. So just wait a little bit. The bigger, the better.
Doesn't that one look nice, YouTube?
Oh shit. That one looks nice. Yeah.
You having fun, Troy?
Trying to.
Say hi, Barry.
Look.
In case people don't know, this is my friend DJ. He's single, ready to mingle. He's looking from guys up to 18 to 13.
What's even worse, I'm willing to bet, man, if you have subscribers, they might
Say hi, Ryan.
My channel, and they probably are going to repeat that all over.
What channel?
I have a YouTube channel named after me.
Oh, that's good for you.
You don't give a fuck. It's alright.
Let's see how this turns out. Well then. And Barry's got the munchies. That's thug life.
Dude, I wish I had an apple right now. The apple juice. Something.
Boy, you don't need no apple.
I need apples.
You scrawny. You need a pumpkin pie.
They're nice and sweet. Oh, I like my girl. The whole thing over?
Yep.
I don't.
Troy, you're looking frustrated, are you?
No.
Okay.
Why?
That's good.
That closed up so those sparks. I don't want you to.
For all those who don't know, Troy's my good buddy. So is DJ. So is Barry. So is Ryan. You'll never see me anywhere without them, to be honest.
Oh shit! Me and Will are a band. He's cooking all the shit already. Ain't got an A for it. So did Troy.
You hear that? I know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm advanced. Say hi.
You haven't done Tig yet. He's ahead of you. Because I'll blow shit up. Oh hell! Selling mode.
Okay, so now we're gonna go over the nicknames. Barry's nickname is Cinderella because he keeps burning his toe off. His is, I can't remember, 99% of the time.
I was Evil Knievel because I was the only one who would weld in the booth with you because you were danger prone.
Yeah, you got a point there. Now you know my name. We haven't figured out a name for him yet.
No.
We're thinking Tweedledee. All we need to do is find Tweedledum.
Tweedledee.
And Troy is... Beard Man. There we go. We just made that one up. Oh yeah, Mr. Safety works too. Because he's always safety.
Like you did, but only you figured out the pedal.
Yes, that's right. I shocked myself. I also almost blew up a machine. But you know, I am redneck, so most of us rednecks are gonna be stupid about shit.
I got fucking burnt like hell.
Oh, and that myth about rednecks fucking their sisters and brothers, that's really stupid. And not true.
You're just being stupid.
I am stupid. Hey. Now we're trying to import the image to Plasma to cut it out. And I think Troy is froze. Right there, bud.
I'm gonna get the freaking thing down. How will I know?
Looks like we're having some technical difficulties. And we're back to the flag.
No, that's speed in this game. I'm trying to like adjust the size. You look over here, pretty far off the metal. I'm putting it a bit closer to the metal of the copper.
So now we're getting ready to make it to import it into Plasma Cam.
What are you doing?
We're trying to open it. What are you doing?
Tell us what you're doing. What are you taking a video of?
I'm taking a video for my YouTube channel. It's like, dude, seriously? Of course you'd be the one that asked that, Barry.
Hey, when food's involved, then
Well, shit, I told my dad that. Like,
it's a hit and run, but
dude, I told my mom that whole thing. She was yelling at my dad, like, you gonna play with dinner first? Like, I said, it depends. Are you eating dessert?
Oh!
alright, but still.
And that's pretty much what we do all the time, is tell jokes usually. I swear to God, Ryan, your name will become creepy, dude, if you don't quit that.
I would just be
You
pervert.
just call him like
Pervert.
Just call him the creeper.
The creeper, yeah.
Sick, he's always coming out.